Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a good day and things are going well for you. They're going absolutely foxtastic for me. I thank you for stopping by my channel today and watching this video. Um, if you get something out of this video, I would really, really appreciate it if you would go ahead and click the like button, comment even. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell and subscribe with me. But I've been involved with network marketing on and off for many, many years. I got involved initially in the '70s with the granddaddy of network marketing. We all know as Amway, and got involved with a couple of other companies through the years, and then decided I didn't want to do network marketing anymore. And I got more involved in affiliate marketing online. And then recently I got back uh, involved again because of LiveGood. And if you've not heard of LiveGood, there's a link down below in the description. You can click, take a free tour, and see exactly what it's about and why it's the hottest thing growing in 2023. Uh, but this video is not specifically about LiveGood. It's about any network marketing company that you're involved with. And so what I wanted to do is cover some tips for recruiting and being successful with network marketing. So let's go ahead and dive on into it now. So now, the first thing I wanted to talk about was understanding the importance of recruiting. Because really, I mean, that's what network marketing is about. Is you got to build a team, right? So that's number one important is recruiting, and building a thriving network business. Recruiting is crucial. It's not just about selling products, okay, but it's about building a team that's of motivated individuals who can duplicate your efforts. All right, so let's talk a bit about why recruiting is so vital. Okay, so you want to be able to expand your reach. Now, what do I mean by that? When you recruit new members, you expand your network, increasing your reach and potential customer base. With more people promoting your products, your business grows beyond belief. Okay, because you're promoting, they're promoting, and you're all benefiting. I mean, it comes down to that. Another point: leveraging the power of duplication. Okay, this is the hallmark, really, of most of marketing, network marketing, is leveraging the power of duplication. I mean, recruiting allows you to tap into the power of duplication. And as your team members recruit their own members, your network expands even further, resulting in greater sales volume and increased profits. Okay. Now, you need to be able to identify your avatar, your target prospects. I mean, the success of your network marketing business depends on recruiting the right people. And here's how to identify potential prospects who are more likely to thrive in the network marketing industry. Uh, so, as I said, you want to target the right audience. Determine your target audience based on your product or your service. Identify individuals who could benefit from your offerings, such as health conscious individuals if you're into wellness products, or aspiring entrepreneurs for business opportunities. So you want to seek out your right. If you're promoting wellness products and you're out seeking prospects that are into old antique cars, that's not the right place to go. If you're promoting products that have to do with making money online and you're in dating sites trying to find prospects, that's not. You want to be laser focused on who your right audience is. Okay. Effective communication. Develop excellent communication skills to connect with the prospects. Excuse me. Active listening. And understanding their needs will help you to tailor your approach and present your opportunity in a compelling manner. I mean, when I talk to someone that I'm prospecting, I already know what I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to listen to them so I can tailor fit it to them, what their needs are, what they're looking for, how it could fit into their realm, how they can see the reality, how it fits them. So it's important to have an effective communication. Crafting your recruiting strategies. Don't just nilly-willy go somewhere. Now that you've identified your potential prospects, it's time to create an effective recruiting strategy to attract and engage them. All right. Another important thing. All these are important. All these little bullet points I'm bringing to you are important. But share your story. People relate to stories. I mean, from a little kid, we read stories as a little kid, and we get tuned into them. The Three Bears and Goldilocks and Red Riding and all, and so we're predisposed to stories, and we connect to them. So share your story. Share your personal journey in network marketing. Highlight the benefits, rewards, and positive. Remember when I first started this video, and I talked about how I got started in network marketing back in the 70s, and I went kind of just a real brief thing because I want to keep the video short. But you share your story so people can relate to it. All right, sharing your story can have a positive impact on them because it has a positive impact on your life. This will inspire others to join you on this exciting path because they're relating to what you went through. Provide value. Offer valuable resources such as training materials, webinars, mentoring sessions. Showcase your expertise and willingness to support your team members. This demonstrates that you're interested in their success. I mean, with my group, my LiveGood group, I provide, not just me personally, but the team I'm a part of. I provide some things personally too, but I provide resources that are exclusive to our team. Our team has capture pages that are exclusive to our team. Our team has training that's exclusive to our team. I provide one-on-one support. I provide individual Zooms if they need it to help them go through. Heck, I even set up people's capture pages for them because they were not technical enough. All right, so you provide value to them, and I always make sure they know that. In my videos, I talk about what our team provides, because hey, people look. Most times, when people get involved in network marketing, they're sponsor shopping. They're sponsor shopping, so they want to know that what you provide as a sponsor will be valuable to them. So highlight that. Make sure they understand the value that you are promoting. Overcoming objections and building relationships. During the prospecting process, the recruiting process, you're going to encounter objections. We all do. And so you've got to be able to overcome them. And you got to have strategies to effectively handle them. Take a look at what some of the objections are and already have the answers to them as you start doing this. So when people start saying, well, this is this, this is that, blah, 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 you already kind of know what to say to them. So plan ahead for overcoming objections. All right. There's lots of skeptics when it comes to network marketing. So how do you address that? Many people are skeptical about network marketing. Address their concerns by sharing success stories. Share testimonials. Facts about the industry's legitimacy. Educate them on the growth and potential for financial freedom and personal growth. Help them to see that what they're skeptical about is not a reality. Okay, hey, everybody's an individual. Lots of people get in network marketing and make no money, but there are many that get into it and make really good money. All right, so help them to overcome those skepticisms. All right, building relationships. Focus on building genuine relationships with your prospects and your team. Don't be just someone who sponsors someone and then they don't hear from you. Build a genuine relationship with your team and your prospects. Understand their goals. Understand their dreams, their challenges, and show empathy and offer solutions that align with their aspirations. I can't emphasize how important this is. Follow up and support. I mean, after you successfully recruit new members, which honestly, it's not really that hard. The retaining is the important thing, and it's crucial to provide ongoing support and maintain strong relationships with your team members. All right. A lot of people get out of network marketing because they feel unsupported, they feel lost, they feel abandoned. All right. So you want to provide the support to them. I have a Facebook group where I'm able to support my group in there. Again, I mentioned I do one-on-one Zooms with them. I'm available to them. Hey, I do this full time. This is what I do. I love this online marketing. I love affiliate marketing, and I love network marketing. Okay, especially the network marketing that's going on right now with LiveGood. I mean, it's so different with LiveGood. It really makes you want to love it. Okay, so support your team. All right, don't just recruit them and let them not hear from you again. Communicate with them regularly. Talk to your team members. Offer them guidance. Answer questions. If you don't know the answers, get with your upline. If they don't know, get with their upline. Just till you get the answers to provide to your people, and then most importantly, motivate them. All right. This helps them to feel valuable. Helps them to feel supported, and it increases their commitment and productivity when they feel like you're there for them. This is one that a lot of people miss, but celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate the achievements of your team members. This fosters a positive team culture. It encourages others to strive for success. That's the benefit of being online is you can post all kinds of stuff about so-and-so made it to the next level, or so-and-so recruited so many people, or so. You want to make them feel proud of themselves. Remember when you were a little kid and you got the star, or you were a little kid and you got the ribbon, or you were recognized as the number one whatever in your class? That's inside of us. We want to be recognized. And so when people, even the small achievements, so when people are doing something, recognize them, point them out, let the others know what they're doing. That makes them feel more confident. That makes them feel a part of the team. All right. So this is just a real short video. I hope you got something from it. The idea is to be real with people. Just be real with them. That's all you have to do. It just let them know that you're there for them and that you care for them. I mean, that's the whole key. And like I said earlier, it's not really that hard, especially online nowadays, to recruit people, but it can be hard to retain them. So support your team. Let them know you're there for them. Contact them, email them, Zoom them, message them. Be a pest in a way, and let them know that you're there and that they're not alone. All right. So my friends, I hope you got something out of this. If you did, I would ask you to go ahead and click the like button, comment. Again, if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I try to produce videos that are helpful to those who are trying to make money online, both in the network marketing niche as well as the affiliate marketing niche. So you take care and have a foxtastic day.